Skunk, one of several cats owned by the Talton family in southern Wake County. He's recovering from a gunshot wound to this leg. Two other cats with him were shot and killed and another wounded when a neighbor got upset. Also recovering, Fox, an orange tabby that's always been skittish, but now, after also being shot in the leg, is extremely shy.
It's okay, baby.
But at least Fox and Skunk are still alive. Two of Rebecca Talton's other cats were killed by gunshots, and the Wake Sheriff's Department has charged her neighbor, 46-year-old Kevin Douglas, with felony cruelty to animals. His daughter is best friends with Talton's 11-year-old daughter, Talton told us with tears in her eyes.
To see the despair on my daughter's face, knowing that he could do something so heartless to her animals that he knows that she loves, it really broke her heart. And it upset me to see her that upset.
The Sheriff's Department says Douglas was tired of the cats being in his yard. Talton says a member of Douglas's family posted a negative comment about cats on Facebook last year, but she had no idea there was a problem with her cats.
He could have come to us very easily and said, hey, I'm tired of your animals being on my property. Would you mind keeping them contained? And we would have taken the appropriate measures to do so without any questions.
We went to Douglas's house 2 doors down to hear his side of the story, but there was a no trespassing sign. So we called a number we found for his wife. She asked us not to call back and hung up. She didn't respond to a text for comment.
I hate it. I really do. Because it's not just 4 animals lost, it's a friendship lost between my daughter and her best friend. And I think that hurt her worse than anything.
And there's now tension in the small, formerly close-knit development where 2 cats are dead and 1 neighbor is facing serious charges. Ed Crump, ABC 11 Eyewitness News, Wake County.